What is up, guys? It's Uncle Dumb back from the dead. I've not uploaded for like 4 months. Like, what the heck? But anyway, today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic, which is PTPTN money and how you can use it to its fullest advantage, or to its fullest power or capabilities. I don't know. But anyway, let's get started. Okay, a huge disclaimer though, before you watch any of this video, be sure that your basic needs are fully covered. Things like food, shelter, internet, place to live, make sure everything is 100% covered, then you watch this video. If you don't even have like a house, then what's the point of investing? You know what I mean? Like all this stuff is what you do with extra money. Investment. I'm a huge investment fan. I don't know why I said that, but anyway, some ways that you can invest your PTPTN money is by investing in ETFs, or you can use like robot investment stuff. For example, apps like Stashaway, Wahid Invest. There's another one, but I forgot the name. It has like an R or something. But yeah, like using these apps on your phone, you can just install it. You can put in like 100 ringgit every month, or you can put in even more, because PTPTN is like they give you every SEM, right? So you can just put in a lot of money. So every year, maybe it is 5%, maybe it is 8%. Who knows? It depends on how much risk you're willing to take. But let's say if your degree is like 4 years, let's just run it out to 5 years. You will eventually end up with more money than what you originally had. So you don't even have to like think about paying back PTPTN. You can just be like, here, just take my money. And then you can have like a little bit of profit left at the end, and you can use it for whatever you want. Buy a car or something. I know. Invest your PTPTN money. Alright, so the next thing is, let's see here, buying things that will benefit you. Okay, this one's pretty important. So let's say if you are like a Instagram influencer or something, and you get money from that, and then you buy an iPhone 13 Pro Max, everything max out. In my eyes, that's a good investment, because your Instagram page runs on it, you're making a living out of it. So even though the iPhone is very expensive, yeah, true, but you're making a net positive return in investment out of it, assuming you're earning from the Instagram account. But what if all you do is just WhatsApp and taking pictures, and then you bought a maxed out iPhone? It doesn't really make sense, does it? Like, you'll lose more money than you earn money. Focus on buying things that will give you a positive return on investment. Here's an example. So I bought my PC with my bursary money for like 3,000 ringgit, and I've made like way more than 3,000 ringgit with the PC. So that is a positive net return investment. Yeah, things like camera, PC, equipment. I don't know what else you can list off. A bicycle maybe, so you can go from point A to point B faster. Okay, last one. I'm just reading this off a list. You know what? I should make this more of like a podcast talking to myself, instead of like a normal class shift video, so that I don't have to edit it and I can just post more stuff. I keep saying that, but I don't upload anyway. So anyway, the third point: treat your PTPTN money like it's not your money. When I see 2,000 ringgit being added to my bank account, which is the PTPTN money, I don't feel safe. I feel like, oh no, this is someone else's money. So treat it like it's someone else's money. Don't spend it on useless stuff that you're not going to use anymore. Like, I know you want to buy Starbucks. You want to feel like one of those aesthetic vloggers, right? With their MacBooks in Starbucks. But is it a good investment? Are you actually getting a net positive return in investment? If you are, then good. If you're not, then think twice. Okay, I feel like that's all the 3 points for today's episode. This podcast of talking to myself. Yeah, okay. If you think that was helpful, then be sure to like, and I'll see you when I upload next time. Bye bye. Oh yeah, also follow me on @ClassShift. Yeah, okay, bye bye.